Here we are, everybody, at the 6th annual huacha tournament and car show here in Sunland Park, doing it big, doing it right. Thank you for coming out. Shout out, brother.
Let's see what time.
At the tone, the time will be 8:59 and 10 seconds.
9 o'clock in the morning, yes, I got dressed. Thought about my girl with the big fat breast. So I called her up and asked, could I see her today? She said, okay, so I said, I'll see you, Shantae. Hung up the phone, then I threw on my clothes. I put some tissue off the road to blow the boogers out my nose. Put on my chain and my boots and things. About to step out the house and heard the telephone ring. I grabbed the telephone just to see what was up. She said, give me the place and time and we could hook up. I said, okay then, why don't you meet me in the park at 4:45, cause at 6 it get dark. She said she didn't mind, okay, it's on. So I grabbed my Stanley's jacket, then I hung up the phone. I stepped out the house, smiling and grinning, saying to myself, hot damn, I'm winning. Oh, what shall I do? Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Oh, what shall I do? Shall I slap the trick and tell a tramp is through? On the way to the park, I had to stop at the store. When Buns begged me for a quarter, I usually say no. But that day I made all they but holler. When in my pocket, gave the poor fellas $1. They couldn't believe it. They had to ask me what's wrong. I said, yo, just take this dollar and get your butt on. I built 5 or 6 blocks with a skip and a hop. What's that smell? Oh, the flower shop. Now I pulled a lot of girlies out they pantyhose. And never have I ever bought a chick no rose. But that day, I had to be the lifesaver. To top it all off, I rushed to 31 flavors. The girl said she loved me, she said I was cute. But all I thought about was just knocking her boots. I thought about doing it with no hesitation. Now I'm sitting in the park just waiting. Oh, what shall I do? Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Oh, what shall I do? Shall I slap the trick and tell a tramp is through? Now I'm sitting on a bench with my back against the fence. I see's not dumb, I got a gang of sense. Flowers in my hand, ice cream in a cup. I'm thinking to myself, won't this girl hurry up? I see my homies coming in, my butt perk it up. They said they got a homie crop, hey, I see what's up. I grabbed the roses, try to hide them behind my back, but I was stuck in a ouch and caught in the act. Then an old man walked up to me, he said, you know, whatever will be, will be. I said, excuse me, sir, I don't mean to be rude, knowing good and damn well I'm in a bad mood. He said, look like you got yourself a few problems. By me being an old man, maybe I get some. Pops, that sound familiar, what shall I do? We'll just slap that trick until a tramp is through.
And our next raffle is gonna be a switch box. It's gonna be number 2171516. 2171516. Going once, going twice.
Next. Hey guys, here we have the winner. Abuelos! Congratulations.
I'll never let you go. So take a chance on me. I'll take a chance on you. You gotta take the first step in order for me to do. So what you say, love? I don't wanna play love. It's gonna take a miracle. Now tell me what you thinking of.
Gonna take a miracle. Yes, it's gonna take a miracle.
Put these shows together, to put these cars, these lowrider cars together, man. I just want to give you guys a shout out. Beautiful cars out there. Where's all the beautiful ladies out there? Come on, can y'all make some noise? Any ladies out there? I guess not, right? Where's all the fellas at? Come on, todos los vatos. Can you make some noise? Come on. Yeah. All right. I got that Latin flow. I got that Latin soul, chuco sound. I got that Latin flow, chuco sound. Street echoes with the chuco sound. Chronicles. I have my spot over there so you can get my information. Follow me. You can stay tuned with the Chuco Sound Chronicles. Let's go ahead, hit it, DJ. Yeah, it's that feel good music. Come on. Who's on my hand to add? Heavy beat tripping, everybody kicking it, nobody tripping, still keep a clip in it. You never know, bounce to the flow, keep it low. That's how we roll. Oye mi gente, stay connected, name on the plaque. Authentic, started way back in 1996. Listen, kick back and visualize this. We were just kids, running the streets, lowrider dreams, playing for keys, cruising the shit like MTV, dreaming it big like Lowrider magazine. Lowrider family, yeah, beautiful culture. Bumping the oldies, chilling with the homies, the OGs, low key, sipping on the 40s, cruising the Chevy, basin, heavy, the baddies, caddies, keep it so classy, racked up and baller, sitting on bees, riding top dollar, 90 degrees, come spinning while you breathing, catch the breeze, slow motion while you posting, mind at ease, the Montes Ricos, cause it's supreme. The hydro switches, keeping it clean. The Lincoln Blazer, Chevy Caprice. Posted a beat, man, it's the lowrider scene.
Round and round we go, it's a lowrider world. Blue skies turn gold, and the sunset unfolds. Round and round we go, it's a lowrider world.
Lowrider
Blue
world.
skies turn gold, and the sunset unfolds.
Familia, where you at? Come on. Rolling through the city on a Sunday night. Take the drive past the state line. West side, up the valley, east side. Lower valley, segundo, central, up to northeast. Old school, new school, cruising the streets. Flannels and white tees, can't forget the crease. Banditos and gold tees, lacing up the Nikes. Black me? Stay tuned for the Chuco Sound Chronicles. Chuco Town, Southern Park. Much love, mi gente. It's a low rider world. Beautiful familia. God bless you guys. Take care. Andy Real.
Great.
Back again. It's the jankiest. The jankiest. Dub C. Still getting my scope on, walk on. One of the keys. Well, let's see. Riders one about the feds on camera with the folded bandana. It's me, the D-U-B-U-C and night train. Sipper, two fingers, spit on the kiddo. Once again, a finger, skip, skip. Throw it up, give it up, like it rolled up, swole up. All I told you about this man, circle soldier. All stars, makes pieces, khakis, and linen. The OG Godfather with the blue feather in it. The shadiest, nigga was cranking. Who got the slacking? Nigga, what they gonna for? Everybody on the flow. Make way for the locust cutthroat with the real longest Moses. Walking in your casket, striking penitentiary poses. A straight vet, connect gang, kiss my set. Since I work, I did everything in the book. Putting these things on you like bing bing when I hit you. Look, this rap game ain't ready for a real nigga.
Not just clowning, we got thousands still out banging the streets. Players get jacked from thinking out acting, y'all can see the scenes. Not just clowning, we got thousands still out banging the streets. Players get jacked from thinking I'm acting, y'all can't see the scenes.
Now bow to the shadiest, we're patrolling, west rolling. Seven-figure nigga still high five blowing, pistol holding. But nothing but truths, jumping out the boat in the corduroy house shoes. Dub C, a G, been in these streets for years. Been looking since the force MDs was singing tears. Now what the fuck a new nigga gotta say to me? I was pulling 2 LMs when K-Day was the beat. 1984, Low Kelly Sports Arena. And Uncle Jam saw me checking niggas for feelers. We run DMC and Jam, that's the first bus. We was snatching motherfuckers out of Nissan trucks. Raised by Cooper, real killers and nick kickers that never ran on you, but was quick to put them hands on you. Man, y'all better figure this out quick. Ain't no rappers here, we fellas trying to make money at this shit.
Not just clowning, we got thousands still out banging the streets. Players get jacked from thinking I'm acting, y'all can't see the scenes. Not just clowning, we got thousands still out banging the streets. Players get jacked from thinking I'm acting, y'all can't see the scenes.
It's the Cat Pillar, Night Grinder, West Rider, Hood Rat Insider. Deuce 4-7 all day, every day. 4 deep in the corners in the rag Chevrolet. Started off 9er before I turned major. Used to do it for free, but now I ride for the paper. Man circle, hit 'em up like bam. Where y'all from? And the knees on that gum. Y'all know where we from. It's that 15 letter 2 times with the S. Cut off Dickie where it descended from the west. Steady squared up and in the center of the crowd. With my flag on my hip, not ancient mama style. But ain't nobody tripping, cause we all above the ends. Plus, fool, I don't set trip, I set trends. Now after this, I'm giving y'all about a year. We gon' see how many niggas broke braids in their beard.
Not just clowning, we got thousands still out banging the streets. Players get jacked from thinking thinking I'm acting. Y'all can't see the face. Not just counting, we got thousands still out back in the street. A little louder. Players can check from thinking I'm acting. Y'all can't see the face. Come on. Not just counting, we got thousands still out back in the streets. Players can check from thinking I'm acting. Y'all can't see the face. Not just counting, we got thousands still out back in the streets. Players can check from thinking I'm acting. Y'all can't see the face.
The shadiest, the shadiest, the shadiest. Who wanna see me?
¿Qué pasa, homie? What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Ross apart. When the homies get down and the honeys get down, and we all got pride on this side. ¿Qué pasa, homie? What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Ross apart. When the homies get down and the honeys get down, and we all got pride on this side.
Mean mug, nothing plastic, blood up and nasty. Hustling for acid, dug it to my casket. Drops, squatting in my rag, convertible. The ride with my sag on, but homie, I'm original. Originated, innovated by my raza. We created this ceiling when perfected, it's okay. Basta, give it up to the homeboys. OGs, put it down while the homegirls make noise. Corduroys, khakis, tattoos, and huarachis. Tank tops with big banking and no Versace. So I should put it down and see how many copy your mariachi. The band leader to my posse, you know my stilo. $100 sneakers, cell phones, and people gon' see your Vegas and chicas. Por la huda when you get your money on. Dance is gone, my chingón, and watch support.
¿Qué pasa, homie? What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Ross apart. When the homies get down and the honeys get down, and we all got pride on this side. ¿Qué pasa, homie? What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Ross apart. When the homies get down and the honeys get down, and we all got pride on this side.
I got primos in LA and primos in Sacra and primos all over the Bay. The Central Valley, the Cali, that busted brown pride. Arizona and Denver know how to low ride. Albuquerque in Texas, Morena's precious. And Chi-Town puts it down for the Kenny Brown. And all in Salt Lake City was popping. Tops dropping, lows hopping. We go together like menudo and lemon. And tell me who ain't got the most beautiful women. What? And I'ma rap till it stops my heart. Chicano like a big dog representing the park.
My partner told me it be days like this, getting hella high, man. I hope it stays like this. We got the park packed. Watch how I act, get my gig on. They go to SF Max, get your sig on and your dig on. Gonna represent her, kick it up until it close and try to run up in her. No funk, no pepper spray. She wanna leave, but I'ma help her stay. We got the Cadillac kicked and it's three-wheeling. 50s up in the trunk, bumping sexual healing. Marvin Gaye, can you sing with me? And tell these chicas why they need to hang with me. At the
What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Ross apart. When the homies get down and the honeys get down, and we all got pride on this side. What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Ross apart. When the homies get down and the honeys get down.
Here we are with the last raffle. This is a competition motor sponsored by High-Low Hydraulics, okay? So get your tickets. And the winner is... You're in the car club?
Nah.
Solo rider?
Yeah.
Solo rider. All right, here we go. Congratulations. It's heavy, eh? There you go. Drive from the bottom. There you go. All right, guys. So we're gonna start with the trophies for the car show. Thanks to everyone for coming out here, supporting this event. Okay. So we're gonna start with lowrider bikes. We got third place, number 43. 43? Okay. There we go. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right, guys. All right, guys, we're going to OG Original. Congratulations. Póngase para la foto, mira ahí. All right, guys. All right, guys. Second place, number 24.
34.
Congratulations.
Celebrate. Woo! Nice. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. First place, 80th Street, number 9. Number 9. Congratulations, brother. All right, guys, going to 80s Street Mile. Street Mile, we have third place, number 47. Third place, number 47. All right, guys, first place, number 26. Number 26. Bernice. Congratulations. Thank you. 40. Second place, number 39. First place.
You said you misread it.
Congratulations. All right, guys. Most participants for this event goes out to 157 family.
Es todo.
Thank you guys, congratulations. The best of show. Best of show goes out to number 7. Thank you, sir. Soñámoslo, brother, soñámoslo. All right, guys, so check your tickets. There were a few guys. That concludes the car show and all the awards for that. Thank you guys for the support, for coming out here to Sunland Park and supporting us. We do have the huacha tournament. We have some trophies to give out, some money to give out. If you want to stick around, you can do that. But thank you guys. Have a great night.
Side to side, it's the Frost, baby doll, let's take a ride. You know what's up, ain't nothing changed. Still waxing up the caddy, polishing the Dana Dane, collecting riches, hooking up with Heiner. I can bet you 20, I got 5 right behind us. And I hope that the Hooter don't swoop on my sky blue Cadillac coupe. Man, cause I'm rolling with that velvet click, horns que pasa. Yeah, this is for la raza.
When you're rolling through a Rasa Park, everything is alright. Alright.
Que pasa, homie? What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Rasa Park. When the homies get down and the honeys get down, and we all got pride in the side. Que pasa, homie? What's running through your heart? Tell me what you know about Rasa Park. When the homies get down and the honeys get down, and we all got pride in the side.
It's just a naughty but good day. When you're rolling through a Rasa Park, everything is alright. Alright. It's just a naughty but good day. When you're rolling through a Rasa Park, everything is alright. Alright.
That day I first saw you passing by, I wanted to know your name, but I was much too shy. But I was looking at you so hard until you must have had a hunch. So you came up to me and asked me my name. You beat me to the punch that time. You beat me to the punch. You beat me to the punch. Oh, after I hadn't known you for what seems like a long, long time, I wanted to ask you, would you please be mine? Whenever you came around, my heart would pound. So you must have had a hunch. So you came up to me and asked me to be yours. You beat me to the